If you are looking to make some delicious and refreshing Chapman drink, you're in the right place. See how I made mine so you can make yours also from the comfort of your home. Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can make Chapman drink. These are the ingredients you'll be needing. Firstly, Grenadine Syrup. You can get that in any supermarket. Equal quantity of Fanta and Sprite. I have some oranges, lemon and cucumber. If you want yours alcoholic, you can do well to add Angostura bitters. As usual, the whole list of ingredients will be in the description box, so you can do well to check it out. First things first, we'll prep our fruits. So this is me cutting my cucumber. After that, I'll move on to cut my orange and I'll move on to cut my lemon also. So guys, if you are new to our channel, do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so when we upload videos like this, you'll get to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Also, if you like this recipe and you're going to be trying it out, give this video a thumbs up and let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Guys, you must note this: make sure you clean your fruits, you wash them thoroughly with water before you start cutting it up, because once you are done with this stage, you are not going to rinse it anymore. So guys, let's move on to assemble our Chapman drink. So in this beautiful jug of mine, I'm going to be putting in my Sprite, and I'll move on to add equal quantity of Fanta. Next, I'll be putting in my Grenadine Syrup, just enough to give it that vibrant red color we love. Guys, if you really want to enjoy your Chapman drink, make sure all your ingredients are cold, so at the end of the day you'll be able to serve yourself a chilled glass of Chapman. So as you can see, I'm just going to be adding in all my fruits at this point. I'll be using a spoon to put it down, because you want everything to be fully immersed in the drink. So I'll just cover this, keep it in the fridge, allow it to rest for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and your Chapman drink is ready. Isn't that as easy as it can get? Guys, let me know what you think about this drink. Hope you are going to be trying it out. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to eat healthy, stay safe. I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.